Lectora is the most versatile learning authoring platform available today. From rapid development to adaptive learning, Lectora gives you the power to meet all your learning objectives. This quick tour will introduce you to different ways Lectora empowers you to create rockstar e-learning. Ready? Let's go. There's more than one way to tackle any learning project, and Lectora comes with features and templates that make building a course as rapid and as powerful as you need it to be. Here are a few different ways to get started in Lectora. Course framework templates are full, unstyled Lectora courses, ready to customize with your own content and branding. When you need to build an e-learning course in a hurry, the basic linear course framework template is a great place to start. Check out the resource links for a hands-on tutorial to learn more. Course starters are a stylish collection of coordinating page layouts and interactions packaged together in one convenient project. Instructional designers appreciate the time-saving layouts and creative visuals available in a course starter template set. You can import PowerPoint slides into Lectora to convert classroom training or storyboards to e-learning. Here's a tip. Taking a few steps to prepare your slides for import will save you time and give you the best results. You'll find a checklist for that in the resources below this video. Lectora also comes with an easy-to-use screen recorder and video editor for creating your own audio and video. Our classroom conversion templates make it easy to transform video into e-learning using Lectora. Or you can record and edit a standalone video tutorial, like the one you're watching now. Ready to start rocking your own learning in Lectora? Check out the video description below for the next video in this series. You'll also find instructions for how to get your hands on Lectora so you can start creating your own rockstar e-learning.